Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by S. Next, we need to multiply by S to the power of 2020 on numerator and denominator. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s to the power of 2021. Later that, we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. Because we don't have 2021, so we divide both sides by this one. This one we change by u. This one we change by u. This one we change by this one. So the next one I will put negative on numerator and denominator. So the u I will put in here. So we need to add u in here. Later that we need to minus about u. So this one divide by this one and u divide by u. So we have 1 over u minus 1 over u minus 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u minus 1. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.